Hi, grade nines. Um, this lesson is just a short lesson introducing what you do when there's a variable on both sides. It's really a tiny step beyond what you've been doing already. Um, so let's just go ahead and do this. So in the first question, I have on the left side, oh, sorry, the basic plan here is going to be clean up the left side, clean up the right side. I can do those simultaneously and then see what I need to do to get my variable just on one side and everything else on the other side. Okay, so I have negative 5x plus 6x, that equals x, oh, just 1x. And on the right side, I don't need to change anything because that's as simple as that side can get. So it's 7 plus 2x. And I'm going to choose to subtract 2x from both sides. So that cancels, and x minus 2x is negative x, and I'm left with 7 on the right side. And then what I'm doing, of course, is I'm multiplying both sides by negative 1, but I don't usually bother writing that. All I need to do is just change the signs. This becomes x equals negative 7. No, but I should do that so you can actually tell that it's negative 7. There we go. Okay. Um, I'm going to do number 4 as well, and I'm going to do number 4 two different ways, just to show you there are multiple ways to do um, all of these questions, okay? So usually the plan is to clean up the left side, clean up the right side. So I've got something I need to distribute here. I want to remind you that you cannot get rid of this 5 here, or this negative 5, however you want to look at it, until you get rid of the negative 8b, because, well, you can't divide by negative 5 because you have to divide everything by negative 5. But instead, it makes more sense looking at it this way to distribute it. So that's what I'm going to do. Okay, so I get negative 8b because nothing's changing there, and minus 5b, and then it's negative 5 times negative 8, which is plus 40, equals negative 8b. And then in keeping with, clean up the left side, clean up the right side, I have negative 13b plus 40 equals negative 8b. And then I'm going to add 13b to the left side and add 13b to the right side. Those cancel. I get 40 equals 5b. Divide by 5, divide by 5, b equals 8. Okay. Another way I could do this question, rewrite the question, b minus 8 equals negative 8b. If I'm having a good day, I might notice that there's a negative 8b there and a negative 8b there. So I can actually just add add 8b to both sides, and they both cancel out. And that has made my equation much simpler. The thing that you need to pay attention to is what remains on the right side here. And that is a big fat 0. But we have to write that in because you have to keep the equal sign, because everything over here has to equal something, and what it happens to equal is 0, okay? Be really careful about that because that's a mistake that people make often. Okay, rainbow lines, negative 5b plus 40. And then I would probably add 5b to both sides because I need to isolate my variable, and that that lets me keep everything positive, okay? And this is going to be 40 equals 5b, divide that by 5, divide that by 5, I get b equals 8. All right, and then just for fun, if I go back here and I have, let's just continue it from here, I have minus 5b plus 40, 40 equals 0, I could subtract 40 from both sides. Okay, and then I have negative 5b equals negative 40, and now I'm going to divide by negative 5, divide by negative 5, and I still get b equals 8, right? That's the point. No matter how you do it, as long as what you do is legal, you're going to get the right answer. So that's it for this video. Um, Go and do some questions, but do make sure you watch the second video I'm going to do on just question 11. Okay? Okay, bye.